Good afternoon, students. So in last class we studied how is Laspeyres method, Pasteuris index number and your Fisher's index number is calculated. In today's class we will again study the same thing, okay, but in a different method. This question is very important, okay. Now calculate the Fisher's index number from the following data. Please remember the Fisher's index number's formula is nothing but the square root of Laspeyres into Pasteuris index number. So they've just asked you to find out your Fisher's index number. But to calculate Fisher's index number, I told you Fisher's index number is a combination of Laspeyres and Pasteuris. So to find out this Fisher's index number, the formula is Laspeyres and Pasteuris. So you have to find out your Laspeyres method answer, Pasteuris method answer, and then apply the formula. So in this question, base year they've given you price. So according to your formula, you require price of the base year and quantity of the base year. However, in this problem, they have given you the total value. Total value is nothing but price into quantity gives you the total value. Let me repeat it. Price into quantity gives you the total value. So I have written here in this problem no quantity for base year and current year is given. But the total value is given, that is total value is equal to price into quantity. So to find out quantity, we need a formula. So what is that formula? Quantity is equal to the total value. V naught is nothing but the total value of the base year divided by the price of the base year. So for quantity 1 is equal to total value of the current year divided by the current year's price. Okay. So from this particular thing you will find out what is Q0 and Q1. So how do you do that? You calculate your total value divided by the price of that base year and the current year. Once you finish your calculation, you will calculate P1 into Q0. Here I have done that P1 into Q0. Next is P0 into Q0. That is P0 into Q0. P1 into Q1. That is P1 into Q1. And the last one is P0 into Q1. So P0 into Q1. I am taking the total. I am substituting with the formula. In this particular problem, please remember into 100. I'll tell you why. That is because in your Laspeyres index number, your formula would be sigma P1 into Q0 divided by sigma P0 into Q0 into 100. But here, because we have not calculated your Laspeyres and Pasteuris method, but your formula which says Laspeyres into Pasteuris into 100. Please understand, when Laspeyres and Pasteuris is calculated, you will need not multiply it with 100. That is because you have already multiplied in your Laspeyres and Pasteuris. However, if they have not calculated, if the Laspeyres and Pasteuris method is not calculated, then you will multiply it by 100. That is your formula. Okay. So this is your very important problem. I have told you when the total value is given, total value is nothing but your price into quantity. So to calculate your quantity, the formula will be the total value divided by the price of that particular item. Okay. So you will calculate this problem. After that, your second problem, calculate Fisher's index number. In this problem, they've given you directly, which is the base year and the current year. Base years will be price will be denoted by P0, current years by P1, quantity of base year by Q0, current year's quantity will be by Q1. Okay. Now this is the formula. So you will write P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1, and you will take the total of it. You will use the formula and you will have the answer. Okay students, so next problem it is the same way. If Lasprais index number is 212.6 and Pasteur's index number is 208.4, find Fisher's index number. Now in this problem, your formula will not multiply by 100. That is because they have already given Lasprais index number which is already been multiplied and Pasteur's index number which is already been multiplied to 100. So you need not multiply here. You will just take the answers, multiply and take the square root. So you will have the answer. That is your Fisher's index number. Your final problem under this particular topic. If Fisher's index number is so and Pasteur's index number is so, find the Lasprais index number. Please remember, Fisher's index number is given, Pasteur's index number is given. You have to find out your Lasprais index number. So you will write down your Fisher's index number. You do not know Lasprais, so you will write Lasprais as X. You remove this square root and put it this side, that is equal to when the square root is brought this side, that square root will go to square. Okay, so 114.8 the whole square, which is equal to X into 116.10. So here when it is multiplication, when it is brought this side, it will be a division. So 114.8 the whole square divided by 116.10, which is equal to X. So 114.8 into 114.8 gives you, this is the answer, divided by 116.10, which is equal to X. So X is equal to 113.51. So this is also a kind of very important problem. Okay, so students, in today's class we solved 4 problems under your Fisher's index number, which is very important. If at all you have any doubts, please do call me and rectify it. The portions for your test will be till here, till your Fisher's index number, your portions will be. Yesterday, some children, that is 2 or 3 children had messaged me saying that what is the portion. So I told only first 2 chapters, but please change it. It is first 2 chapters plus this half a chapter. That is your index number. Yes, under index number you have your simple index number, weighted index number. Everything will be included till here, till today's class. Okay students, so hopefully you all understood this particular topic. So in next class we will start up with your new topic. Okay, so the in today's let me open the syllabus for you. You have to study for your test, you have to study the theory also. Okay, so you have to study your mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean under 3 situations, that is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. You will be studying your standard deviation, again your individual, discrete and continuous, step deviation and deviation methods also, along with your coefficient of variation. So in index number, you will write it till, you will study till your Fisher's index number. Okay, so in tomorrow's class we will I will cover the cost of living index number and the construction of index number by using aggregate expenditure, which will not include for your test. That is still here you will study. So there is another 2 simple chapters left, which is very easy if at all you understand it. Okay, so if there is any doubts, yes, please do call me and rectify things. Okay students, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.